We are going to be looking at solving systems of equations using elimination. So this is the second part of that, problems 13 through 24. I am going to go over problem 13 with you guys. So if you look to solve using elimination, we can't just easily add down. We have to multiply at least one of our equations by a number so that it cancels with another equation. You see that if you multiply the second equation by 2, you'll end up with a negative 16x. So the negative 16x and the positive 16x will cancel out, which is what we want. So we'd end up with, I'm just going to copy down this first equation, 16x minus 10y equals 10. And then after we multiply this one, we'd have negative 16x. 2 times negative 6 would be negative 12y. And then the 2 times the 6 at the end would be 12. So now we add our equations straight down. 16x plus negative 16x is 0x. Negative 10y minus 12y is negative 22y. And then that would equal 10 plus 12, which is 22. So divide both sides by negative 22. And we get y equals negative 1. So now you take your answer for y and you plug it back into one of those two equations. It really doesn't matter which one you choose to use. So 16x minus 10 times the quantity, the value of y, so times negative 1 equals 10. From here, we do negative 10 times negative 1, and we get positive 10. So 16x plus 10 equals 10. Subtract 10 from each side, and now we have 16x equals 0. I've had very, very many of you tell me that if some number equals 0, it's no solutions. That's not true. If you have some number times another number, an unknown number, equals 0, it means one of those two numbers has to be 0. Because you already know that one of the numbers is 16, that means that x has to equal 0. 0 times any number is 0. So it's not no solutions, it's just x equals 0. So now we can find the solution to our system of equations, or the point of intersection. It is at 0, negative 1. If you have any questions, please ask.